temperature, 30 degrees. It's high tide, so the tide will go out shortly. There's no real breeze, as you can see. It's a beautiful, calm day. Of course it's going to be calm because of the high tide, the king tides. But that just makes it even more better. As you can see, absolutely beautiful down here today, down along the cairns esplanade. Look at this view. You can't get much better than that. It's quite warm, so always remember to slip, slap and seek shade. I always put sunscreen on, and I got these lovely arm protectors from Korea. And of course I got my normal hat that I wear everywhere. So imagine 2 days to go to Christmas. Absolutely awesome. Muddy's is as busy as always. As you can see, Muddy's is always busy. It's a brilliant place to have a cafe. It's a good place to have a lovely park as well. Bring the kids down. Enjoy, let them run wild. The tamarind tree. Look at all the birds. You know we're in for good weather when all the birds are around. Remember, you can just stop, pause, take a screenshot and put yourself in a photo of cairns, or put your family in the photo. See our pelican friends grooming themselves. So much for our social media ban for under 16-year-olds getting outside more often. It's just increased the sales of video game machines. So the social media ban backfired here in Australia for under 16s, and it's just another way that like PlayStation, Xbox and Nintendo start to make more money. So maybe that's probably their hidden agenda, because yeah, I haven't seen an increase of younger people coming out and enjoying beautiful days like this just walking. Before the social media ban, I'd actually see young kids coming out here and go fishing as a group. But since then, just remember there's lovely places here to go. Awesome places to see. So that's my thought on the lovely social media ban. Absolute waste of time, or a money grab to help the sales of Xbox, Nintendo and PlayStation. Don't forget we've got barbecues down here, tap water running through water taps. They're free for use, but you can hire them out. So again, like I said, you can pause the screen where you like on my lovely YouTube and cut and paste and put yourself in the scene. Today's technology with everything is awesome. G'day, how are you?
Yeah, brother.
You can see our lovely flags. There's a little breeze, but still not enough to pick them up yet. There we go. So imagine coming down, putting a mat there, and having this view for lunch. You can't ask for a better view. Even on a hot day, in the shade here, it's cool. Remember, sunscreen is a must have, but just check your sunscreen, the ones that you're using. Have a look at that for a picture. It's what they call picture perfect. How awesome has this year been? We'll stick to the shade today. As you can see, it's plenty of people down in the lagoon. And it's currently 30.4 degrees. Remember to stay hydrated. Always have water or juice. Well, according to that, it says that it's 35 degrees. So, on my phone and there it says 31 degrees, but our little green man over there via the toilet says it's 35 degrees. So I don't know who to believe, whether it's 35 degrees or 31. All I know is it's always good to be in the shade.
You do have a YouTube channel, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, Graz Pepper.
What?
Graz Pepper.
Ranch pepper.
Graz Pepper.
Ranch pepper.
Yeah. And I do all the cans.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your name was?
Sorry, mate?
What was your name, mate?
Mick.
Mick? Pleasure to meet you, Mick. No worries. Cheers.
See you around.
See you around. So, as you can see, it's a beautiful day. Absolutely awesome. How's this? You can put yourself in the screenshot if you've been here to Cairns before. Put yourself in the screenshot of the lovely Christmas tree, and you can put yourself in the screenshot here of the Christmas tree and the lagoon in the background. Just remember, if you wanted to get rid of all the people on the screenshot behind it, you just can go onto your phone, whether it be Android or Apple, press the erase button and you can remove people, and it does a really good job. I will put a screenshot option on here as well. For the end of this video. So I'm Graz Pepper and this is Cairns. I hope you enjoyed today's walk. Just remember to subscribe.